Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you. It is a privilege to be here on behalf of the COP23 presidency for a launch of the Ocean Pathway Partnership, a pathway that brings together parties and partners to find the right space for the ocean in the UNFCCC negotiations by 2020. The Ocean Pathway will also work to increase 2020 actions in priority areas that use the ocean or are impacted by the ocean and climate change. In June of this year, we co-chaired with Sweden in the inaugural UN Ocean Conference. We would like to continue this momentum by announcing Sweden as our co-chair for the Ocean Pathway Partnership. I welcome the Deputy Prime Minister Lövin, and we look forward to working together again on this important journey that will deal with the ocean change, climate change, and of course our planet. We all share a real concern on the state of our oceans and the relationship that it has to our efforts with climate change. We know that the functions of the ocean in regulating our climate and its importance in managing carbon in the air that we breathe. Our message from the Pacific Island countries is that if we do not fix our ocean, we are unlikely to find a solution to climate change. We need a resilient ocean that can continue its function for climate. The Ocean Pathway Partnership has two tracks, as highlighted earlier on. First, to navigate a space for the ocean in the UNFCCC, that of course is not necessarily easy. The more we talk to the negotiators and friends of the ocean, we are warned and challenged, but at the same time encouraged to progress this. It is necessary to find that space, whether it's raising ocean issues in existing activities in the UNFCCC, or even an agenda item and a work program in 2019. We don't know now, but it is important this partnership identifies what we need to ensure the ocean is in the right space in the UNFCCC and how we get there. The second track, of course, ladies and gentlemen, will involve our non-state partners, our observers, our NGOs, the private sector, research institutions, academia, and willing parties. Let's raise the bar on actions for 1.5 degrees and healthy oceans and jumpstart the ambition from now to 2020. Improve ocean activities in the NDCs, improve the footprint on maritime transport, ensure coastal cities and settlements and towns deliver on ocean health, as well as adaptation and reducing emissions. Restore coastal and marine ecosystems and habitats, reduce pollution into the ocean, and of course the list goes on. Under our COP23 presidency, we want to work with partners in the next 12 months to mobilize key partners and people and create momentum for action. We are running out of time, as has been highlighted by the Ambassador, and the 2020 action on our ocean and climate is very critical. I want to finish by thanking you all for your support for the COP23 presidency here in Bonn, and to invite you to continue our journey together until COP24, and utilize the Fijian presidency to move our agenda on the ocean and climate. Let's all work together on activities and events with the COP23 presidency to create momentum to 2020 with the Ocean Pathway Partnership. Please enjoy the rest of the afternoon. And thank you very much. Naga.